Hello, SHAHZAIB there. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the lens color of eyes in PicsArt. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to the effects. After this, drag this to the colors. On color, you can choose any of this color if you want. Otherwise, you can go to the hue and change the hue property. There's so beautiful colors of eyes. As I want green color, then I will click green and go to the eraser. Select eraser. Size fill, hardness fill, and erase all the part of image. After that, go to the brush tool, adjust the size, adjust the hardness and opacity. Decrease the opacity little. And here we see that's so beautiful color of eye, and you can choose any color. So this is the tutorial about eye coloring and lens changing colors in PicsArt. This is much helpful for your friends and for you. You can enhance your photography skills by subscribing our channel. So press that red subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.